basically I won.
Okay, I'll go with that.
Welcome back, guys, to another video. It's Sunday. EJS is officially over, but we're still in Moab until Monday, which is tomorrow. We decided to do steel bender today. It's a beautifully hot Utah day.
Come on, Luna, you got this.
My stomach hurts.
Pumpkin!
This is a big wall. This is a big wall.
Go. Go. Okay. Now bump it. You gotta give it a big bump, babe. Like the biggest bump. Nah, forget it.
So basically, I won. I got 2 tires. And you got 1. The second
But
time.
you broke, and I had to fix it, so that adds 1 point. That skid plate's thicker than I thought.
This is what we call trail repair by bleepinjeep.
I'll fix it for you. No problems anymore. There you go.
That's the self-heal sticker.
You didn't break anything.
I
it's
did
just
break.
scratchy, right?
It's
So
just crunchy.
It's crunchy, that's all.
So if I didn't win, you definitely didn't win. So a tie?
Okay, I'll go with that.
What happened? What happened?
You guys went on steel bender and got some steel bent.
I concur.
You said I did a shit repair job.
I didn't say that. You said that. You said that and I just agreed, you know? Like, I mean, it's still clicking.
Let me hear it. I don't think it's that clicking. I think you got something else going on. Like a bad U-joint, maybe.
You think so?
Just keep driving till it blows.
Oh, God. I don't know what that noise is. Hopefully it's nothing important.
But did you die?
It didn't die. Matt thinks it's like a U-joint. I don't think it's a U-joint. I just think the drive shaft is still, or the pan is still touching the drive shaft.
Yeah, I don't think it's a U-joint. I don't know if you guys can hear these guys. Do you think she can make it or not?
I think so. She's probably got a better chance than I do. Get my links in.
But that was easy for him. You can do it.
There goes the rest of my sheet that works. I can call this.
Yeah, just crawl it. So what's going on?
I think we determined that Matt did not fix the skid plate underneath. So, -1 point for Matt.
Oh, we're bringing up old stuff now, huh?
Old stuff, it was 10 minutes.
How about the downhill section? How about the downhill while you're bailed?
Driver!
I think I changed my mind.
Okay.
Yeah, that was negative. How many negatives? How many negatives?
All of them?
All of them.
All of them.
Yeah, I got scared. Didn't feel good. But my Jeep did it. Is it the Jeep or is it the driver?
It's the driver.
Yeah. I'll take that one.
I think he's right. I think he's right.
That's on me, guys.
It sounds really nice.
Music to my ears.
Your Jeep sounds like a total piece of shit.
That's what happens when you let Matt from Bleeping Jeep trail fix you.
Okay, here's our verses. Are you ready?
Sure.
Okay, you gotta go up this backwards.
He's gonna win.
Why?
He's so long.
Keep going.
This feels weird. I don't like it.
Keep going. Keep going. Go. You're fine. You're fine.
He won, obviously.
You did it. What do you mean?
Well, he
You
did,
did it
better.
faster.
He did it faster and better.
Wait.
Wouldn't be able to see that if you didn't have a clear lids.
Good job. You're going. Try going that way. That's it, that's the line. Yep, that's the line. Whoa!
Oh no.
You're fine, you're fine. Keep going. There you go.
I'm good. I don't. All right, guys, thank you for making it through the entire video. We had a lot of fun filming. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Like always, big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and go ahead and click one of these videos to continue seeing our adventures. Real quick, before we go, I wanted to show you guys our new shirts. They come in gray and also in black. Make sure that you click the link below. Our website is www.offroadandchill.com, so go ahead and get yours today.